Hey guys, and welcome to another RYOUTfitters First Look. This week we're going to be looking at truck gloves, specifically their trigger gloves. See the little trigger finger right here. Truck Gloves is one of the first brands we've worked with. I think they were maybe number 50 around there. They started with just a couple pairs of gloves and have steadily put out some amazing products, even dipping into mountain biking. They are a serious no BS brand. You can see from even the aesthetic, they have a very sleek, clean look. Nothing specifically outrageous, just a focus on incredible design and functionality. They make phenomenally well-made products that perform exactly the way you need them to at a jaw-droppingly low price. They are a utilitarian dream, but if style is your game, they certainly got something to bring to the table. Without further ado, let's try them on. Well, they're certainly comfortable, that's for sure. They are made with water-resistant goat leather. You can kind of see it's not really the entire glove, just the places where it counts. And you can see a laminated textile in between strips of goat leather that adds some wind resistance and keeps a lot of the warmth in. They do have fleece insulations, and they are insanely warm and crazy soft on the inside. These gloves are really comfortable. They have reinforced palms, so you no longer have to fear shredding your gloves when you're going for hand drags or anything of the sort. Getting down to a little more specifics about the design, it is a really minimalistic glove. Definitely something that I could see myself wearing in pretty much any conditions. Maybe not so much spring or warmer weather, because they are really seriously warm. The Velcro strap on the wrist to keep it tight is pretty perfect. It's pretty easy to open up when you have your other glove on, so you're not going to be looking like a fool trying to open them up. They do even have a little padded strip on each thumb in case you want to wipe your nose clean, which always is appreciated. Personally, I'm a big believer in trigger gloves. You get the warmth of the mitten, a decent amount of dexterity, which could be helpful for when you need to make some adjustments to your bindings or gear, and you have maximum opportunity to aggressively point and gesture. In a lot of trigger gloves or mittens, occasionally their fingers will be separated. That's not the case with these gloves, which I actually appreciate. I kind of like that you can feel the rest of your fingers, keeping them all together, just keeping them warm. It's a little nicer. If you already have a pair of gloves and you are a pretty frequent rider, you might want to consider picking up a backup pair. It's a great thing to have in your car if you need an extra pair, you leave your gloves at home, or if the gloves you normally ride with are a little soggy. You know, these things happen. Plus, if a buddy's in need, you can always lend him an extra pair. That said, if you are looking for a brand new pair of gloves, but you don't want to break a bank, you're in luck. These gloves come in at $45.95, which is an absolute steal for the quality of glove you're getting. Gloves of the same quality could run you upwards of $100, so you're essentially getting a glove that's just as good quality for half the price. That's it for our first look of the Truck Gloves Trigger Gloves. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think, and join the RYOUTfitters membership to save 15% off Truck Gloves, all of their products, along with up to 50% off thousands of gear from amazing startups and outdoor brands just like Truck Gloves. That's it for now. I'll see you next week. Get it.